2024 be an easier year for home buyers and sellers than 2023? That is the question that seems to be on buyers and sellers' minds these days. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area, helping buyers, sellers, and investors. I think we all can agree last year was a difficult market for both buyers and sellers who felt stuck with the market conditions. So let us break it down for 2024. Will we see the Feds continue to raise mortgage rates? Well, that will depend on how inflation trends and what the Feds opt to do about it. All indicators are pointing to inflation cooling down and the Fed cutting the interest rates, leading to lower borrowing cost for buyers. But we will not see 3% mortgage rates in 2024. So what about inventory? Inventory is expected to be a little sluggish in the first couple of months of this year, but then we can expect to see more inventory as we move into the spring, creating more options for buyers. And what about affordability? First-time home buyers will continue to face challenges, but there will be some bright spots. The record high income required to purchase that we saw in 2023 is expected to decline as mortgage rates ease and home prices soften in some areas. Sellers who are planning to sell and then repurchase will benefit from their home equity and lower rates when it comes to affordability. So, how can you prepare as a home buyer to purchase this year? Well, align yourself with a good real estate broker and lender to help you to navigate the market and help you to get financially ready. As a seller, make sure you have a broker who is experienced with the local area and can provide you with the latest market statistics so you price your property competitively. Please reach out to my team and me so we can help you to assist and guide you through this ever-changing market. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and realtor in the Bay Area with the tradition of excellence and integrity. When you do what you love, people love what you do. Thanks for watching. Give us a jingle. Have a great day.